Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how you can update Netflix in your smart TV LG WebOS. Okay, now pay attention. You need to find that app, this app. Okay, that app. Now, in smart TV LG, the store, okay, is LG Content Store. Now, can you see in my LG, my smart TV LG Smart TV is the color pink, okay, and his name is LG Content Store. You need to find this app in your smart TV. Now open and find Netflix, okay. The maybe can you see that in the first page, okay, in the lobby. Okay, now wait. Okay, here, this is the lobby, okay. The most popular apps, and wait, Netflix. Okay, I find Netflix here, but if you don't find this app here, you search in this apps, or in the search bar can you write Netflix. Open Netflix and update your app. When you say start or open, okay, if you see start or open, that means that your app is update, okay, has the last version. But if you see update here, you need touch here and download the most recently version, okay. Now this is all, you don't need anymore. Okay, sorry for my English, I know that is awful, but I was trying to learn to speak English, get more experience with my speak, and this is my hobby. This is my best way for get more experience. Sorry, have a good day, see you later.